Hello everyone, my name is Laser Shoa and today I would like to talk with you about PyLadies Munich chapter. So we are here at PyLadies Con and I want to give you an overview about the Munich chapter. But before that, I want to explain to you what's PyLadies. So PyLadies is an international mentorship group with the aim to empower women and minorities within the Python community. It's also a place where you can find a support-friendly network to participate around Python topics. And going over the PyLadies Munich chapter, you can find us on the Meetup group. We have about 1,000 members there and people who always join our Meetup, or monthly Meetup that we organize in the city of Munich or also online. So one thing people don't see is the organizers team. So we are there behind the scenes, making sure to make these events possible for everyone. And today I'd like to show you an appreciation for their work. So here you can find Olga Kuprianovi, me, Anton Caceres, and of course you, because you're a big part of the organizers team as well, by participating, by giving talks and being there. And our chapter just became older, so we had a birthday. PyLadies Munich chapter is 9 years old, and we are very happy to continue with this journey. If you want to follow us and see what we are up to, you can find us on the Slack for PyLadies in the City-Munich. I also post a lot of things related to Munich events, and you can find us in the PyLadies Munich Twitter, where we post about Python events. And you can find us in the Meetup group and maybe join us on Meetup online or in person in the city of Munich. And if you want to become a speaker, is a way that you can contribute. So here is the form where you can fill up. We are welcome all levels of speakers. And if you want to contribute in a different way, like hosting us or giving a feedback, we are always happy to hear from you. So enjoy the learning and see you next time. Bye.